Hello friends, in this video, I will tell you how to copy any game for free. You can use this for sale or personal use. This method is valid for 2026. Good luck. Click on any game you want to copy, right click, select Inspect, Network, and reload the page. Find your game in the list and right click. Select Copy and copy Ask PowerShell. Go to the link in the comments or description, enter your text, and wait.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.